You're back to the wall, you're feeling the hurt, your head to the sky, your knees to the dirt. Why when we going through it, right in that moment then, do we begin to believe that the moment won't end? After the sun sets, then won't the sun rise? After the rain pours, then won't the sunshine? Look at the mothers, they ain't felt in delivery, who hears her babies crying, that pain becomes a memory. Yeah, I just wanna remind you, your now will be a then, you'll just look it behind you. Surely, the God of all glory will take me, break me, and then he'll restore me, store me. Hey, so when the sky's looking gray above, know his grave was dug just so we can taste his love. Yeah, so stop trying to dodge the raindrops, hide under his wings and watch the rain stop.
At the dawn of every new day, like the roof that night will fade. Just like a mother forgets her pain when she sees her baby's face, and she holds her smile, and the joy my heart contains makes it all worthwhile. Even when rain is falling down, you shine behind the cloud.
When it seems like dark clouds are following you, no, their very rain makes the trees grow. Oh, as you're attached to the vine and pruning may hurt, you don't know what he's doing at first, he's truly at work. So you just look the pain in his face as his strength to carry you through, displaying his grace, the favor of faith. You just watch the praise when you're done, cause after the storms of death came the rays of the sun.
At the dawn